Top 5 Best Light Therapy Lamps. Number 5. Aura Daylight Lamp. Wall mountable with a sleek design, the Aura Daylight is intended to help new users slowly adapt into phototherapy comfortably. The patented lux dial can adjust the brightness between 3500 lux and 10,000 lux with 4 settings in between. If you are concerned about possible side effects such as headaches or nausea, Aura recommends to start treatments at the lowest setting and working your way up to the brightest. The bulbs are fluorescent and somewhat expensive to replace, however, the built-in timer can be set at 10-minute intervals between 10 and 60 minutes, with an automatic shut-off feature once the timer is finished, which may help save some life on the bulbs. The Aura is made safe. It is certified to filter out 100% of ultraviolet rays and is an excellent option for first-time sun lamp users. Coming in number 4. Carricks Daylight Classic Light. The lamp provides 10,000 lux of glare-free, LED white therapy light. It has 2 light settings, blocks 99% of UV rays, and projects the light downward for maximum effectiveness. With a broad surface to project the light from, the lamp provides a full dosage of light from 12 inches away so that you don't have to sit right next to the lamp. Designed to improve sleep, boost your mood, and improve concentration, it's highly recommended for individuals who experience SAD. The height and angle of the light are adjustable, and the whole unit stands on a pedestal. It comes with a 5-year warranty, so you're guaranteed to get the mood-boosting benefits you need. Coming in number 3. Hatch Restore Sound Machine Smart Light. Ditch the smartphone and wind down with the Restore. Rothman says its night light function is particularly great for reading in bed. You can program the light to display different colors, 22 in total, for as long as you'd like, and it also comes preloaded with sleep and wake-up routines to make sure you're sleeping more soundly than ever. Coming in number 2. Philips SmartSleep Light Therapy Alarm Clock. This alarm clock uses both light and sound to get you out of bed naturally and is also loaded with a sunset simulation to help you wind your day down at bedtime. Rothman is impressed by its backup batter and how customizable it is, everything from brightness to the time display as well as its one-tap snooze ability. Testers noted that the Philips SmartSleep helps establish a pleasant wake-up experience, a godsend on dark winter mornings, and shared, on average, they felt more refreshed in their morning routines. Philips has another SmartSleep model at a lower price point, but Rothman notes that this model doesn't simulate sunset nor does it come loaded with many other features that makes this clock stand out. Coming in number 1. Philips SmartSleep Connected Sleep and Wake Up. Tested in native environments by GHI experts, this light therapy lamp is one of the most comprehensive options on the market, as it's completely customizable to your surroundings and preferences. Rothman notes that the SmartSleep gadget is controlled with your smartphone, supercharged with sensors that monitor the temperature and humidity in the room alongside noise and light levels to sync its glow. Testers appreciate that Philips mobile app makes it easy to customize alarm clock settings. You won't have to fiddle with any dials or buttons for bedroom use, but this lamp can also function well in an office or living room setting.